What's up, guys? Bo is here. We are finishing up the van today. I am installing the swivel seats. The other side's done. Now the driver's side. This is a design for a Sprinter, very low profile. It's about it's less than 2 inches. And after this, I'm going to install the gray tank, which is we got all here. Okay, 20-gallon water tank, gray tank. And after that, we are officially done. So there's not much going on in this video. I just want to keep everybody in the loop. The next video will be the van tour. Alright, again, before you disconnect any wires, harnesses from the seat and stuff, or any harness from the car, go ahead, instead of going into here, this is where the battery is, under the driver's feet. You can, instead of opening that, you can just disconnect it right here. This is the main switch right here. It's inside right there. It plugs into, let's see if I can get it clear. Can't get it. Okay, there you go. See the red button, red switch right there. You just press it down and pull it there. So basically that this piece slides into that shiny connection right there. You just press the red button and pull it back, and that's it to disconnect everything. Otherwise you get the sensor triggered on your dashboard that you need the dealer to reset it. And then you can disconnect these plugs right here. It's to disconnect is very easy. Just press that and pull this back down and it pops up. Alright guys, check it out. Step 1 is done. Both sides of the swivel seats. Ready to go. Okay. Now next is the gray tank, gray water tank. We're testing the swivel seats. It's not that much raised up. She still can drive it. And this side too, low profile. Looking good. On the back side here, you can see it's all done. Now waiting for the fabric to it's being sold right now, and will be here anytime right now. Take a look at my overhead, the headliner here, nice and snug against the controller right there. In my last video, I did not have any food on the van build video. So today, beautiful day, van's getting completed. My brother and sister-in-law showed up with all this food for us. How cool is that? We haven't seen each other, you know, with all the quarantine and stuff, but today they showed up. Fried rice and spaghetti. Man, we're just lucky. Let's eat. Let's enjoy it. Looks so good, the fried rice, and look at the spaghetti sauce. Oh man. Right, let's take a bite of the fried rice. It's got the eggs in there and the sausages. Damn, that's pretty good. I haven't had fried rice. Alright guys, cheers. I am done with down here under the car. You can see our water tank, gray tank here, with the ball valve, electric ball valve. that is controlled from the driver's side. Just flip a switch, releases the water, and then I just finish up my DC to DC charger wire, running the wires here all the way to the front. I am done down here. All right, everybody, this video ends right here. Today's a good working day to finish up with doorknobs and everything, the gray tank underneath, and then the DC to DC charger hookup, and that's it. And check this out, the cushions here, we still need the two in the middle, and everything else looks great. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much if you have followed along this build. It's been fun, it's been challenging sometimes, but everything comes out nice, beautiful. And I want to thank you everybody that following along this build, and I will see you at the van tour next week. Thank you so much. Thank you also to all my employees over there. Yeah, good work everybody.